In this video we will discuss how to create a Google Meet activity, link Google Drive to the activity, and customize the Google Meet activity. To begin, navigate to the course page you wish to add the Google Meet activity to. At the top right of the course page, locate and enable Edit Mode to start. After this option is enabled, the page will reload, and we will now be able to create the activity. Locate the section you wish to add the Google Meet activity to and locate the Add an Activity or Resource option at the bottom of that section. Then, click on it. You will be greeted with a new window displaying many variations of activities and assignments. Locate the Google Meet for Moodle icon and click on it. This will then create the activity and take you to its settings page. Before we begin the customization of the Google Meet activity, we must first log in with our Google account. This is to allow the activity to sync with our Google Drive repository and enable the archiving of recorded class sessions. To do this, click on the Log in with your Google account option at the top of the settings list. Go through the standard login process, and then accept the prompt from Google. You will now be signed into the Google Meet activity. Do note that if this option is not available, you will need to contact the ITS department in order to secure the feature for your account. Now for the activity settings page. Here, a variety of settings will be present. The main settings that need to be addressed are the general settings, the recurrence of the event date settings, the room URL settings, and the notification settings. The general settings allow you to put a room name, an activity description, and an event date. The recurrence of the event date settings affect what days the activity is repeated for, the frequency that it will repeat with, and how long the activity will repeat for. The room URL setting does not need to be edited, as one will automatically be generated on creation of the activity. Finally, the notification settings will simply allow you to send a message to the course participants notifying them automatically of the activity's designated start time. With this tutorial video, you can now create a Google Meet activity, link Google Drive to the activity, and customize the Google Meet activity.